Hello guys, and in this video I want to showcase the new React Native project I am working on. It's a real-time chat application. It has both the front end and the back end. The front end is done with React Native and the back end is done with Nodejs and Express with Mongodb as the database. On this app, user will be able to register. So after registration, you'll be able to verify your email. If you don't verify your email, you won't be able to log in. After email verification, you'll be able to log in. So after logging in, you'll be faced with the home page. So when you're faced with the home page, you see those users that are already members of the platform, and you can add them as friends. So after that, adding them as friends, we have a page whereby you can see those people that they've sent friend request to you, whereby you can either accept the friend request or reject it. The person that you send friend request to will be able to either accept or reject. So if the person accepts, that is when you can be able to chat with the person, and if the person does not accept, then you cannot chat with the person. So there's a chat page whereby we see all those people that are our friends. So we can now choose whoever we want to chat with. When we click on it, it will show an individual chat page whereby it's only you and the person that's seen the chat. So when you send the message in real time, the person gets it in real time, and it's the person's reply you also get it in real time. So now guys, let's dive right into the video and let me demo the application for you. So you are welcome to this application, and on this application, this is the interface that you'll be faced with immediately you get to this application. So it's the login page. You can click on this sign up to sign up if you don't have an account. So but first, let me show you the database because I don't want this video to be too long. That's why I already registered 4 people, so that when we are trying to add friends, we're not going through the process of registering multiple people. So I already have 4 people inside the database. Can you see? Then this token is where it's going to save the token for verification of email before we verify the email. So there is message already. I have 8 messages inside the message document. So now let's start the process of number 1 of registering new user. So let's go to the sign up page, which is the register page. Click on this sign up. It's going to take us to the register page. So this is the register page. You need to put in your name, your email, your password, confirm password, and your email before you can go forward. So now let's put in the name. Now after filling all the input fields, then click on register. So registration successful. Please verify your email address. The message has been sent to the email address, which we are going to use the values inside to verify this email address. So let's go to our email address and share. So can you see now? This is the message at Mark. Please use Dayo. Thank you for signing up. To complete your registration, please use this token below. If you didn't create an account, you can safely ignore this email. So we are going to use this token to verify the email address. But before we do that, let's check our database. You see, I said we have 4 people. If we reload the database, we are going to see 5 people, and the 5th person downwards is Dayo. So it's verified is false. So that's what we want to work on. So if we check our token, we are going to find this token. It's the same number 919248, 919248. See, 919248. So it's we are going to put in the number here. But as we click on verify email, it's going to verify the email. So user verification successful. You can log in though. So that's why we are here. So now let's go and check our database again and see what's going on. So you see the token. If we reload this page, and we are not going to see the token again. So let's go to the user. If you go to the user, and let's see if it's updated. Can you see now it's verified, it's now true. So that means we can log in with this user. Login successful, and it's going to take us to the home page where we are going to see all the users on this platform except the logged in user. So can you see now these are the users we already have on the platform. So we are on the home page. So we can add user here by clicking here. We can, so let's go to, this is the chat page. Already we don't have anybody. Add friends to be able to chat with them. So we go back. So then we also have the this is the friend request page. No friend request at the moment. So also we also have the login button here. So we also have the profile page here. This is the profile page of the person. So it has the image of the person, the name, the email, the number of friends, the number of friend requests. So we can go back to the home page here. So this is the home page. So now let's add friend. Let me add this Ayode Jadewolu as friend. So if you click on it, it's going to add the person and say request sent. It has sent request to Ayode Jadewolu to accept the request. So if you now go to let me log out from this particular user and we go back, we log in as Ayode Jadewolu and see the request. Logged out now. See? Logged out successfully. So now let me now log in as Ayode Jadebolu. I'm logged in now. Login successful. So can you see now? This is a friend. Ayode Jadebolu is already a friend with Adenike Adebolu. So now we have Dayo Omoleye here. So let's go to this page. You see, friends, this person is asking for, we can either confirm or delete. So if we confirm, we'll be able to chat with Dayo Omoleye. So the confirm friend request accepted successfully. So we are going back. So let's go to the chat page. So can you see on the chat page now, we now have Dayo Omoleye here. So if I send message to Dayo Omoleye now, he is going to be able to see it. So if I send the message, you'll be able to see the message at his own end. So message sent successfully. So can you see the message here? So now we can also send an image. You can send an image to Dayo. So let's send this image. So you can crop the image and send to Dayo. Image sent successfully. So this is the image. So now let me log out and so that we can see Dayo. So to see Ayode Jadebolu's own profile, you click on this page. You see, this is the profile of Ayode Jadebolu. There is no more friend request. So let's log out and let's go and check Dayo's email address. Login successful is loading. So now can you see this one has changed to friend. So Ayode Jadebolu is a friend. So if you come to this chat page, you are going to see the chat between Ayode and Dayo. So this is the chat. So Dayo can say send is going to also message sent successfully and it's going to also come here. So that's it. Dayo can also change his password. Let's go. So now let's check inside our database the number of messages. Before it was 8, so now we have 11. So let's check. See, I am cool and I love this coding image. This image. Then we also have this one text here. So now let's try to change the password of Dayo. To change the password, we click on forgot password. It takes us to this place where we are going to input our email address. After putting the email address, let's try to open the email address by the side so that you'll be seeing it. So after that, let me delete the earlier message. So after that, we click on reset password. So it's going to send a token for us to reset the password into this email address. So can you see password reset code has been sent? So we are receiving the code inside the email. So we opened it and we also, this is the code. So if we come to the database now, if we come to token, we are going to see it. This is it, 485-893. It's 485-893. So now we can put the new password there. So we also need to put in the code. As we press on reset password, it's going to reset the password and delete the token. Can you see password changed successfully? You can log in. So if we come to the database, if I reload this place, it's supposed to delete this token. Can you see the token is no more there? So the password has been updated now. If you want to try to log in with the old password, it's not going to allow us. Let me use the old password. You are going to see invalid credentials. So unless I make sure that it's the new password. So if I try to log in now, it's going to allow me login successful and it's going to direct me back to the home page. That's it. This is the home page now. So later I'll be adding these users. I want a situation whereby if you click on them on the user like this on this part, if you click on it, it's going to display the profile details of the user. So I'm going to implement that so that before you add user, you'll be able to see more details about the user. You're not going to be adding user because you are seeing their faces here. You'll be able to see their details. So then I will also implement a situation whereby user can update their profile. So we'll be able to see more of their profile before you add them as friend. Try to follow and subscribe to this YouTube channel because very soon I want to be creating tutorial, and in that tutorial I'll be showcasing how I write the codes and explain each line of codes one by one. Thank you for watching. I'm going to see you in the next one.